Yeah, very good morning children. In this video, I will explain about algorithms and flowcharts. So that includes the algorithm, flowchart, symbols and features of the flowchart. Okay, let's begin. What is an algorithm? It is simply say step-by-step process. Okay, next, the definition of the algorithm is an algorithm can be defined as step-by-step process that should be followed to perform a specific task like solving a logical or mathematical problems for example, but maybe thinking where it is needed. Basically, we use an algorithm in day-to-day life, but we don't know it is actually as algorithm. Okay, suppose if you do anything like to perform a task, maybe that is something like going to a market, buying a grocery or doing online shopping. Do you have some steps which is in your mind like what you do first? So first open the website or go to the app and then go to the search box, then categories, then you need to find the products and you go to the add cart details and buy now. Then now you will place your order. So what I told right now, that is actually algorithm. But if I convert the two steps, that is what we are going to learn. Okay, so algorithm is a step-by-step solution of any given problems. Okay, now one more example we can take. Suppose you want to go to the market to buy grocery items, then how to write the algorithm? We can write the algorithm like first start, then get ready and take the money and bags, and third one go to the market and find the grocery to buy, and fourth one pay the bill. Next take the bag groceries to home, and finally stop. This is the rule of the algorithm. The first step in algorithm is start and the last step is stop or end. That's your wish. Okay, and next move forward. What are the advantages of writing algorithm? When we divide the solution into steps, it's become very easy for the readers to understand the process. So with the help of the algorithm, we can make it easy to write solutions of bigger problems or questions. Okay, so we can say when the problem is big and we want to write a solution, in that case algorithm are better options. That's mean we can divide the solution into steps and it will be easy for the reader to understand the solutions. Okay, next, flowchart. What is a flowchart? So we can say the flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of any algorithm. Okay, it means when we represent the same algorithm using different diagrams and shapes, so it is the graphical representation of the same thing. Okay, and now why flowchart and why not just algorithm? The answer is if we convert the algorithm into steps, it becomes easy for anyone to understand the steps as graphical representation. Is way better than the actual representations. Okay, I think student you already know this. If you read a book or if you watch the same story in a movie, which is more interesting? For some of you, I know that the read of the book is interesting because it is your hobby and you have interest. That's fine with me also. But for general population, we can say normally what will prefer? We prefer watching the movie. not because it is better than the reading a book, but because it is the graphical representation, okay, visual representation. So anything which is visual more attractive for human, so that is why writing flowchart will be beneficial, as it is the graphical representation and it is better than the textual representation. The user will understand the flowchart better than the algorithm. Okay, and now what are the diagrams that are used in any flowchart? So the diagrams and shapes used in a flowchart as follows. The first is ellipse. The first shape is known as ellipse. This shape is used for writing the start or stop box. Then for the input or output we have the parallelogram. For the formula we have the rectangular. For creating any condition or for writing any condition or writing any decision, we have the diamond shape, and we have two types of connectors. Basically the connectors are used to convert the flow lines. So if you are using any connectors in same page is known as one page connector. Okay, when we are using connectors to connect two different pages, suppose your flowchart not finished in one page, so you continuing the flowchart in next page, so we need to use the half page connector. Okay, then comes direction arrow, which are used to connect the boxes. Okay, and next this is for your follow-up, so you just try. Okay, write the algorithm only. If you are able to write flowchart also means it's okay, no problem, you just try. The question is, write an algorithm and flowchart addition of two numbers. Okay, thank you children.